Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Christina Buckley, and I'm Filipina.
How old are you?
I'm 43. I'm 42 years old, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
I'm married, ma'am.
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
I have a three boys, ma'am.
Three children. Okay, so where are they now?
They are in Philippines, ma'am.
Who's looking after them in Philippines?
My husband, ma'am.
Your husband. What
Yes.
position are you applying for?
Um, Housemaid, ma'am, all around.
All around. So housemaid and
Yes.
nanny. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when would you be able to start working?
Um, January, if second week of January, ma'am, it's fine. If it's fine.
Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please describe your present job.
My job now is I
Mm-hmm.
have two babies,
Mm-hmm. You're looking after two
and
babies.
I'm cooking. Yeah, I'm cooking up after sometimes,
Mm-hmm.
and cleaning, ironing,
Mm-hmm.
um, laundry, laundrying.
Okay, you're looking after two children.
Oh yes, ma'am. Yes.
How old are they?
Um, one 1 year and 5 months and 3 years 4 months, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you enjoy doing in your present job?
Um,
Cleaning?
I'm I'm doing everything actually.
Okay, so describe how do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
I First thing, ma'am, I'm going to the kitchen first.
Mm-hmm.
After they go to the bedrooms.
Okay.
After the toilet.
Okay. So, what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Um, I don't speak anybody, ma'am, if my employer is not here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Except if my employer call me that somebody come delivery, so I open the door, ma'am. But if nobody here, I don't talk to anybody, ma'am.
Okay, so you said you know how to cook. What kind of foods you
Yes.
can cook?
Mm, we are cooking here anything, sometimes pasta,
Okay.
noodles. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So, do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
You do. Okay,
Yes.
so what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Um, we're playing with them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. We're playing with them after playing, lunch, and their sleeping time.
Okay, so if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
um, I will do the first aid, ma'am.
Aha, then
Then
first
I will call
aid.
to, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
then I will call to my madam, like that, ma'am.
Okay, so as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Um, yes, ma'am.
When are you going to say no?
If he did, if I know that is dangerous or it's not good for him, I said no, don't touch that, like that, ma'am.
Okay, so how much is your minimum expected salary?
Um, I just telling 2,000, ma'am, but it
But your
depends on the job.
the minimum salary that you're willing to accept is at least how
Two.
much? 2,000. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, 2,000 is fine. Yeah.
Okay, so describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Um, I just went to. I'm a good nanny,
Uh-huh.
and I do whatever they want. I follow them, and because it's for my future,
Mm-hmm.
and that's it, ma'am.
Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you,
Okay, ma'am.
Christina from HCV.com. Thank you.
You're